went up.
Ooh, look at that.
You're getting better.
You tell me every time I've just about to do a shot, I might get it right.
Oh no, you should never tell a woman twice.
Well, I've been told at
You're
all.
risking it. You're risking it if you say it twice, aren't you?
Oh, it's a small one.
That's it, that's right, mate.
Go on. Knock her out of the way, Pop.
Don't know, it doesn't go that far. There's one controversy, you can't get that far. Yeah, you're supposed to bring it back and get the... But it's hard to.
Bring your arm through.
I just want to go to
Well,
let her walk
It's
down.
got the line though.
But you get it wrong.
Telly on.
Tactics,
No,
no.
Away from that, yeah, don't push it.
All the letters we've got. The only board that got all.
You're trying to hit mine, are you?
Far away, aren't you? Short and weight, that's all.
Their history's longer now. I think it was 1700 up there.
I'll let you explain yourself when you get home.
Very little history.
Well, you should be immune to it by now.
It's really what it should. Not hard to see that.
Yeah, I've done it here.
Do you know what you did wrong? No?
No.
You're taking that big strike you took.
Did you do it again? It's just habit that I really want to give it some more. That's the way it's gone.
Yeah.
That's it, yeah. That's it.
I meant to cut out.
Yeah.
Nobody's dressed up.
Not bad though. Yeah, but you nearly got the
No, got
ring.
the t-shirt. Oh, got the
Yeah,
shirt.
yeah, it's bothering.
Nobody got it. No, no.
Not too many coaches. Just me. Oh, that's it, not mine off. Not mine, is it?
Oh, that's that. Yeah, that's. You still have to. You still have to.
Think about what you're doing, mate. Think about that
So I
suit.
can ask to like go do it.
What did I do wrong?
Take your arm over.
I've got this distance in this thing, but
Yeah.
I threw it wrong.
A little circle, Pop. That's it. Yeah. Exactly. Right. Come on back again. Yeah. That's it. Another marker on the wall. Yeah. You take that out of your hand. Try and keep. I know. Don't keep your arm like that. Because it doesn't come from.
I'm not saying I won't. I'm just saying it like not being there. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, but look at your weight. Look at your weight.
Oh, but you never get rid of it.
We're all very hard on ourselves, aren't we?
We used to have a guy called Stu Vanston, and we used to cut. If you did one that was short and tight, that was Stu Vanston. Yeah. It's exactly what we used to say he was, short and tight. If you don't mind. Remember what we said? That elbow.
I can't see what colour's what, I'll be
Listen,
honest. Can
see
you?
if I can help.
No,
Pick out the reg, just about, but it's black.
I just can't see it. I can see that one's a white one, but see mine, the white one next to the jack still.
I think it's going to rotate
Yeah.
it.
That far one's mine.
Hello. All right, thank you.
Straight on.
Hello.
He's over with it, that snort, isn't he? Definitely over with it, that snort.
Yeah, but you get there. It's about keeping that on straight.
It's all on you now.
It's like the pendulum of a clock.
Yeah, troubles with his
Yeah.
shoulder.
When you
Yeah,
do
but
get
ready for the new one.
You can't push so long. Oh no.
Going down the new one.
You've got enough there for and reserve then for going up.
Oh, yeah.
Still playing.
Yeah.
Get the big guys. Bravo.
So who's won that?
You are. Yeah. That's two to you.
Sure.
Yeah, one to your brother.
No, something.
Yeah, just
Got
read the
that down.
chat.
I'll take it in.
Please.
To you.
And then Mary played with.
No, move that camera.
Yeah.
That's all right.
Nobody's been able to move your house one.
Yeah, I always seem to start strong and then go off.
It's probably
Do you know what I like best? There's no other bowls there.
Yeah.
Then I haven't got any. It doesn't bother me then because I'm just aiming for the jack.
You've got to work out when you're
It
in the
seems to
match.
cut me off.
You've got to
Yeah, no.
try and work out your angle to get through.
Yeah.
Sometimes you can't get through and you'll send one a bit more weight to clear some out.
Yeah.
So when you get your next wood, you might get through.
Yeah.
All the red ones, yeah. How do you feel? Are they alright then? What do you think?
That's pretty good, isn't it? Or is it really just a bit too much? Not bad.
Never turn your back on.
Yes, so the filters are on.
power down and now
And these orchids are all fade away, so that's good. They'll get the home down.
Oh, we don't drink of that.
well, we're not all down anyway.
It's my daughter. What's she doing?
Pull that one
Whatever I
up
tell
again.
her.
No.
And you're back to that long stride.
Have I? I've tried to slow it down. And I've messed up. Not the first one. That was rubbish.
That's lovely, eh?
So beautiful.
Not bad, is it?
Sun trap here, isn't it?
Days like today, you have to remember to put suntan cream on.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a good one.
Your bed.
That uses jack.
Yeah, well done.
You raise something again?
That's better, that.
I raise something again about the 12 cup of tea.
It leaves that jack out a bit.
I'm still not quite sure which way around I'm going.
A little circle, lad.